What's up, everybody? This is Rich from True Budget EDC and Prepping. Use your gear or lose your gear, because if you're not using it, you might as well lose it. So today I want to come on here and do a quick review of a pouch that I have, that I actually have one of already. I'm just doing a review of another one that I got in a different material. This is the Alpaka Gear hub pouch. Now, it says perfect for small tools, torch, cards, and other small items. It also is compatible with the hub keychain, which is sold separately. So now the one that I have already is the black X-Pack X50. Now what I'll do is after this video, I'll link the Alpaka Gear main website into this. I will also link the item that I'm reviewing into this, and I have a 10% discount code with Alpaka Gear, since I am an Alpaka Gear ambassador. But this is the one that I have. This is the X-Pack X50. So this video is not going to be a long video. I've already done a review of this item, and this is pretty much the exact same item, just in a different material. It is the hub pouch in the X-Pack RX30. So go back, check this one out. It'll show all the internals and stuff like that. It's obviously a different material, and we'll go over that right now. So this material is the ocean blue X-Pack RX30. So super cool material, right? It is a X3 laminate, where some of the other stuff I've been doing is X4, but this is an X3. It is 100% recycled, this entire pouch. So this is 100% recycled polyester face. I believe it's 300 denier or 310 denier. I'm not exactly sure, but it's one of those two. And underneath that is a 100% recycled fiber reinforced layer, the X-Pack X-Ply, and then under that is a 25 mil, 0.25 mil polyester sheeting. So X3, 3-layer laminate, RX30, X-Ply, and the polyester. Now this has got two, it also still has the two zipper pulls, as you can see. It does have the conceal. These are YKK, I believe. I'm not sure. Sometimes they change them around, and they don't really let you know. I was looking. I believe this one said they're YKK on the website, but this one doesn't. But they seem to be the same zippers, so I believe they are YKK. You know, there's always a little gap right here, so it's not 100% waterproof, but you keep it down at the bottom, you'll be fine. It's not going to get in there. And it does have these Hypalon zipper pulls, which are, you know, the old man-made rubber. So it has this pouch, on this pocket on the outside, and inside there's a bunch of paper because I never took it out. That's what comes with it. And then it has the so there's one, there's two, there's three, and it goes into, so these pockets down here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a big slip pouch back here, 5. And I mean, you can count these as pockets too, 6, 7, I suppose. But if you put anything in these pockets, it obviously goes into that pocket. So, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loop panels. So, and that's elastic loops, and then very minimal branding. Just says Alpaka right there. So that is what it looks like. I didn't load that one out yet. This one is already loaded out, so we'll check this one out. Inside this one, because it's the same exact setup, I have a Hank by Gondek EDC, and as you can see, when I put this in that pocket, you know, it goes down. It's not even in the back pocket, but it takes up this pocket here. So I have a knife in there, which is an Imperial. I have a Coast G22. I have a small pry bar back there, pair of nail clippers, clipper lighter, have some plastic type ties, a pocket pen, and in the slip I have some cordage and some on the go pad there by Right in the Rain. So that's what I have in here. Now in the front, like I said, you have this pocket, and in there I just have some band-aids and stuff. So super cool. You can get quite a bit of stuff in this small pouch, and this pocket's really good for, like, if you wanted to use this as a wallet, you could put your cards and your money in here or something like that, and you still got, you know, all this space for EDC gear and or whatever you're going to use it for. So really cool. I like it a lot, and I did want to try another, you know, hub pouch from instead of this material. This is the X-Pack X50, and it's very, like, it doesn't give. So I wanted to try something with a little bit more stretch. Like I said, this is 100% recycled polyester. It's made from recycled PET bottles. So super cool, very sustainable. You know what I mean? Low footprint. and it's pretty awesome. Alpaka is all about sustainability and recycling, and you know what? It's pretty awesome that they can make this into this pouch out of what they made it out of, plastic bottles. So really cool. But this is a really good pouch. I really like the hub pouch. There's a number of them. This X-Pac RX30 comes in a bunch of colors. There's 2 of them out now, which this is the ocean blue, and then I believe there's a cayenne version. But X-Pac also has other colors in this material, so you never know, there may be another colorway that comes along. But there's a lot of hub pouches. There's hook and loop. There's, you know, the RX material. There's the X50 material. So I'll put the link to the main page of Alpaka Gear. Go check out the items that they have. I'll link this. You can check out what this is about and maybe look at some other hub pouches. And you guys have a good one. This is the hub pouch by Alpaka Gear and the RX30 material.